In this video, I want to show you how to connect your Brother MFC-J4335DW to your Wi-Fi network. And once you've done this, you'll be able to connect your phone or computer and print wirelessly. So let's get started. By the way, this panel is able to move if you didn't know. First thing, okay, we need to be on the home screen the way we are right now. If you're not on the home screen, press the stop exit button and you will exit if you were in a menu. Next, you're going to press the down arrow. It says Wi-Fi over here, so we'll go directly in the Wi-Fi settings. Select Find Wi-Fi Network. It should be one of the first options. Press OK. Then select the right side arrow and wait. It will find all the Wi-Fi networks that are currently around the printer. Next step is to use the up and down arrow so you can search for your Wi-Fi network. Once it's highlighted in blue, press the OK button. Now it's time to type the password. You can also use the number pad on the right side in case your password has numbers. If not, well, you'll have to use the arrows and the OK button to type it. Press OK once you are ready. You're going to get WLAN connection successful. This means that the printer is currently connected to the internet. Press the right side arrow and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, take a moment, leave a like, subscribe, but also comment down below. This is a great way to support my channel. Have a beautiful day.